Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4th. This is your English teacher. Open your English textbook. Okay, let's take another lesson of your textbook, Mansar Lag. Okay, it is lesson number 3 actually of your textbook. Lesson number 3. Right. So let's start. Let's first try to read this lesson and later on we'll try to understand everything about the Mansar Lake. Right. So this chapter is about a lake which is situated in Jammu. Right. Okay. So let's try to read this first. Okay. Look at your textbook. Okay. So let's read together. Mansar Lake is situated at a distance of 62 kilometers from the city of Jammu. It is surrounded by hills that are rich in forest areas. The circumference of lake is 4 kilometers. Mansar is a popular picnic spot in Jammu apart from being a holy site for Hindus. The J&K Tourism Department has laid the lake with stones around it and developed pathway for the visitors who can also go for boating in the lake. On the eastern bank of the lake there is a shrine of Shishnag, a mythological snake with 6 heads. There are some ancient temples on the banks of the lake, which are visited by devotees. Okay. Okay, you can repeat reading this Mansar Lake. Okay. Do the reading of this many times. Okay, silently. Okay. Now let's try to understand what this Mansar Lake, the lesson number 3rd, what does it read? Mansar Lake is situated at a distance of 62 kilometers from the city of Jammu. So about Mansar Lake, we must know that it is not actually in the city of Jammu. It is some 62 kilometers away from the city of Jammu. Right. So that means from the heart of Jammu city, you have to travel by 62 kilometers to reach this lake. Okay. It is surrounded by hills. So that means it is surrounded by hills means it is this Mansar Lake is around this Mansar Lake there is chain of hills. Okay, so this is Mansar Lake. Say for example here it is a Mansar Lake, and around this there is a chain of hills rich in forest areas, and these hills they are there are dense forests. Okay, there are dense gymnosperms. Okay, fine. The circumference of the lake is 4 kilometers. So the circumference means the distance around it is circle. Okay, so around so the for example this is Mansar Lake starting from this point. Okay, if you go and reach this point again, this is called as the circumference of the lake. Right, this circumference of the lake is 4 kms. Kms means kilometers. Right. Okay, Mansar is a popular picnic spot in Jammu apart from being a holy site for the Hindus. Okay, so about this Mansar Lake, we should know that it is very popular picnic spot. Okay, so people visit the lake, okay, for pleasure, for attaining peace, right? So this is a picnic spot rather in Jammu, okay. And besides this, it is a holy site for the Hindus. Hindus also visit there and do various religious rituals here, right? The J&K tourism department, okay. So there is a special department which take care of picnic spots. So that department is called as tourism department. J&K has its own tourism department, has laid the lake with stones around it. So around this lake there are stones laid, right? Okay, and developed a pathway for the visitors around this lake. There are laid stones, okay, and out of those stones a pathway is made, okay, on which the visitors walk, right, on which the visitors walk and take the pleasure of the lake, right. And the visitors also do the boating in the lake, so they also ride a boat which are also available in the lake, right. Okay, so you can see here, okay, a boat is shown in this image on the eastern bank. Eastern bank means the bank on the eastern side, the side on which the sun rises, that's called as eastern side. And the bank towards the towards the side of east, okay, there is a shrine of Shishnag, okay. वहाँ पर शीशनाग की शीशनाग की shrine है, so that means religious place, okay. Religious place that is called as Shishnag. Shishnag is actually a mythological word. It is a word which often comes in various stories, and Shishnag is given. Shishnag name is given to a snake with 6 heads. Right. There are some ancient temples on the banks of the lake also, which are visited by devotees. Okay. Also on the banks of this lake, there are various temples, and these temples are visited by Hindu devotees. These are visited by Hindus, okay, which do various kinds of prayers, various kinds of religious rituals here. Okay, those are called as devotees, right? Okay, uh, now this finishes the first part of this Mansar lag. Okay, tomorrow we will come up with second part of this lag and also discuss the difficult words, right? Till then, Khuda Hafiz. Thanks a lot. Stay home, stay safe, so that we can contain this pandemic of COVID-19. Khuda Hafiz.